In this tutorial, we're going to learn about the attach and detach features. As we saw in the previous video, grouping elements together keeps them as one unit on the canvas. But when it comes to actually making the project, sometimes the elements will change position in Matte Preview. Here's an example. I have this card with love hearts on it. At the moment, none of the elements are grouped together, so I can move them around individually. If I want to move and adjust all of the love hearts as one, then it's easiest to group them together. To do that, I just need to click on each of the love hearts while holding down the Shift key on my keyboard. This way, I can select multiple items at once. Then I click the Group button, and now all the love hearts move as one group. However, when we go to make it, you can see that the love hearts have changed position. So what's going on here? This is where the attach feature comes in. When you attach elements together, it groups them so they move as one unit on the canvas, and also locks their position on the mat, so they will be cut out in the same positions. I'll demonstrate that now. First, let's go back to the canvas and ungroup the elements so we have the same starting point. Now select all of the pieces on the canvas, including the card, and then go down to the Actions panel in the bottom right and click the Attach button. Now all the elements are attached together. They move as one on the canvas, and when we click Make It, they're locked in the same position in Matte Preview too. Success! You can see the line around the edge of the card and the lines around the love hearts. This is where your Cricut is going to cut. Now let's go back to the canvas. If you decide you want to change the positions of the elements or alter the design, then you'll need to detach them. To do this, go to the Actions panel in the bottom right and click the Detach button. Now, you can move the pieces around individually again. But remember to attach them before making the design if you want the elements to stay in position. It's important to note that colors in Design Space represent different materials when cutting. So if you have elements on your canvas with different colors, when you attach them together, you're saying to Design Space you want to cut them all in one go. When this happens, Design Space will respond by making all of those elements one color to represent the single material that it will be cut from. I'll show you now. Firstly, I'm going to change the colors of a few of these hearts. Now, in a second, I'm going to attach everything together, and you'll see that Design Space changes everything to a single color. Here we go. And exactly as expected, the whole design is now one color because you've told Design Space you want to cut them out of a single piece of material. So now you know how to attach and detach elements in Design Space. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.